Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can log in into your Morgan Stanley account on your device. In order to log in, make sure that you already have an account, only then you'll be able to log in into your Morgan Stanley account. So the procedure to log in into your Morgan Stanley account is pretty simple. All you have to do is follow the step and also make sure to watch the video till the end. So then let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, in the search box type in the link, that is www.morganstanley.com. You can find the link on my description box as well. Once you type in the link on the other page, you will land inside the official site or the profile page. In order to log in, tap on Client Login in the top right corner. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So over here you have a multiple options, so then you'll have to select according to your account. Once you select your account type, on the other side you will land inside your login page. Out here in the left hand side corner, you can see there is a dialog box. So over here you'll have to provide your login information. First of all, you'll have to enter your username. So then make sure to enter your correct username that is associated with your Morgan Stanley account. Once you enter your username, next tap on password and then make sure to enter your correct password. In case if you are confused with your password, you can tap on show in order to review it. Once you're done entering all your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. And on the other page, you will successfully land inside your Morgan Stanley account. So then that is how you can log in into your Morgan Stanley account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.